So hello everybody, this is Harsh from Blender Simplified. So today I will show you basic structure of ship and aircraft carrier. So first we will need a cube. So we have taken a cube. So after taking a cube, we will go to edit mode and use poly build. And after that you can see the blue points coming. So after that we will take one point and drag it to the fixed point. You can see the lines and the cubes. So after that we will make it in an alignment. So we can see that it is aligned. So now you can see the second points. So we will drag it a little up. So now you can see the first and the upper part of the aircraft carrier is built. So now I need one more cube, so I will add it. So I have added it. So I'll make a little long, as the aircraft carrier or ship is a bit long. So we have got the shape. So I will make a duplicate of the first part and see, and after that I'll rotate it into 180 degree. So now I will align it from the top. Now I will align it from the bottom, means side. Now I'll check. No, it is not looking good, but let's make it good. So I'll use poly build to do it correct. We should match all the points. So you can see the back point of the ship is like this. So now we will drag it a little up and forward. Oh, sorry. So I will move it little front because I will need to make it good. So now I will see it from y-axis. So after that x-axis, now I'll take it in front. Now second point, I will move it in front. So now you can see it is ready. So this is the part of the ship. Now we will go to aircraft carrier. So I will make a duplicate. No, first I will make a bit longer. So you can see this is ready. So now I will make a duplicate object and place it right inside. Now I'll see from y-axis and check if it is aligned, and if it is not, I'll align it. So I'll need to move it a little up. Oh sorry, I have selected one only. We can do this with selecting more. Yes, this is done. Now I will make this. I select the 3 and move it back. After that I'll go to x-axis and select the front one and go to edit mode, use polybuild and move the upper point a little up, as the aircraft carrier has a point which has aircrafts to climb. And now I thought it would look good, but it is not, so I'll again select and shade it flat. So now you can see. So what I will do is I will again make a duplicate of 1. And you can see this container, so I'll delete. Before showing the next step, please subscribe to my channel. So now I will align it with the aircraft carrier. Okay, now I'll select all the 3 and move it a little up so I could align it. So now you can see it is aligned. So now you can see it is almost done, but the major changes in the third duplicate object is they have triangular ends on the ending of the aircraft carriers, and the back also same. I'll do it, but this time I will select all 3. No, first I will select 1. So I will align it. So you can see it is slowly coming in the shape of aircraft carrier. This is not the final aircraft carrier. This is the structure of an aircraft carrier. So now I will choose this, go to edit mode, use polybuild and edit this also using polybuild. The major tool is the polybuild in making this. So we can see there is a point. So I will go to edit mode and do it correct. So now you can see I will check if it is correct. So I am aligning it. So now you can see It is almost done. Yes, it is looking good. Thank you and have a nice day, and please subscribe.